Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve failed opening on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve failed opening on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Facebook and you can click here. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.